Howdy folks, just a very quick video from Yardie Belly this morning. I wanted to just show you a very delicious tea that I am concocting this morning. I do hope that you will enjoy it. You can have it hot and or cold. Yeah, but it's one of those that I do when I mix up my little pot of tea. This morning I'm doing pomegranate herb tea with green mint. Alright, and I have the water boiling, and over here I have fresh, well, not fresh, but package of mint, you know, green tea and mint, and I have the pomegranate. And it's simple that I'm just gonna mix these two, put 1 tea bag from here and 1 tea bag from there in the water, and then I'm gonna sweeten it with some honey. Alright, so pretty much that's all I'm gonna do. Take 1 package of tea from this mint. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut the water off, yeah, so that the boiling process is halted, and then I simply add 1 tea bag, you know, to the boiling water and allow this to steep. I'm gonna cover it and allow it to steep, and then I'm gonna add 1 package of this herb, you know, pomegranate herb tea to the water, and allow that to steep as well. Simple, right? And as I said before, you can have this, you can make it cool down and have it as iced tea, or you can have it hot just the same. Alright, so here we go, folks. Good. So now I cover the pot and allow my iced tea to steep. When it is done, I with the honey, and we have some iced tea. Very nice. Hey, try 1 tea. Try some tea. Make your tea nice. Bless up. So here we have it, folks. Yardie Belly's pomegranate and mint herb tea, and you can try this one at your home. You know, just mixing 2 different separate packs of tea to infuse the flavors in, and to give you, you know, just a variety on the, you know, flavors. Sweeten with honey, and as usual, Yardie Belly don't do nothing normal. So this is my take on a very, you know, homely, nice, therapeutic, you know, tea. Hey, try this at your house. Find the tea bags. The crazier, the more exotic the flavor, the better. And of course, I have reserved a little bit of this to make my iced tea. So folks, hey, try this one when you get up in the morning. Have yourself a good day. Yardie Belly in a foreign out.